Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a shape into video clips on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. Navigate to video project on Clipchamp. And next what you want to do, guys, is head over to content library. Let me just use, for example, you can go with the search bar here, but you can also navigate to the shapes directly by clicking into this button, or you look for a search term. And then what you want to do is use one of these. For example, go by categories such as hand-drawn, pattern, geometric, and so on and so forth. So I would like to insert a cloud icon like this. Click into it, move it on your frame here, and you may position it on your frame, and then you may increase also or decrease the length of the given element so that it aligns, for example, with the video clip length. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.